Customers who are moving from CAD-based workflows will be able to reap the productivity and efficiency benefits of BIM when they move to Revit. They can still design in 2D, just as they would in CAD, and most importantly, they can move to BIM at their own pace, which means that while they're working in Revit, they'll also be producing a well-coordinated 3D model at the same time. No additional 3D modeling skills are even required. This means that any design change, such as adding or modifying walls, doors, and windows, will automatically update sections, schedules, and even elevations that are typically disconnected from CAD-based plans. And if customers are concerned that moving to BIM means that they can't collaborate with customers who still use AutoCAD or even produce DWG deliverables, they'll be happy to know that Revit can produce DWG files complete with layer standards, hatch patterns, block definitions, and text that AutoCAD can read, annotate, and print.